Hey, I just wanted to open up my Color Play subscription box. I got it a day or two ago. Show you guys what's in it this month. These are $30 a month. And I'll show you what they come with. The thing about like getting these where it's already certain themes and the colors are all mixed and matchable together, you don't have to worry about matching things up. You get 4 to 6 sets. It's cheaper than buying them separate. And it's delivered right here to your door. This month's theme was Tutti Frutti. It'll come with a little pamphlet showing you what's in it. Different ways you can use them. Like I said, these are all mixed matchable. It's enough mayonnaise to do your nails for the whole month. They come with 4 to 6 sets every month. Plus, if you're a subscriber, you also have a bonus shopping areas. There's things you can get on the shopping link that you can't get unless you're a subscriber. This month, it did come with Starlet lipstick. Now, normally they don't come with bonus items anymore. Instead, what you get is what you get in place of that now is a $5 product credit. And you get that every month that you subscribe. And the sets this month, this is vitamin C, which is just a pack of accents. And like I said, you do get 4 to 6 full sets every month. We have strawberry smoothie. We have kiwi cutie. We have tangerine crush, which is like a French set. Or you can use it as a regular set. Either way, depending on how you want to put it on your nails. And finally, juice bar. And it always comes with an alcohol prep pad and a file. So every month you get that for $30. Delivered right to your door. It's a different theme each month. The sets you get in these boxes are only for subscribers. You can't order them off the site unless you are a Color Play subscriber. And then there is an area for subscribers only where you can get extra sets of nails that came in boxes. And like I said, you get a $5 product credit. And all this month, since our lipstick and our lip primer is 50% off, I used my $5 credit to order a new tube of lip primer that's 50% off. It is $9.50. That's the half off. Normally it's $19. I used my product credit, which took $5 off of that, which brought it down to $4.50. And since I'm a stylist and you automatically get 25% commission on everything you sell, even your own products that you buy, I got this for 30 bucks. I got my $5 product credit for being a subscriber, which you get that whether you're a stylist or not. And I also got my $6.25 commission. Because like I said, you get 25% commission on everything. These are $30. That includes shipping and handling. So $25 is what you get commission on. So that was $6.25. So basically, I didn't pay anything for this. After the $5 credit, it was $4.50, but I had $6.25 in commission from my box that I also used. So I got this for nothing. So if that's something you would be interested in, subscribing and getting you a box every month, you get the $5 credit every month. Or if you want to become a stylist and get 25% commission on top of that, message me and let me know. The link should also be on this video where you can go straight to the link and sign up if you would like. Catch you all later.